Greeting everyone, welcome to Gears Training Hub. My name is Dawson Lee, Training Program Manager from Gears. So we are building up a training channel right now, and we are very welcome for you to give us comments about how do you think about our product and how any question about the operation about our products, right? So as in the past, the live stream, we covered about how to clean the build platform and resin tank and so on. And today we are gonna cover several things about our products. And this is the accessory part 2, right? So today we are gonna talk about the precautions release module and how to use the photometer to maintain the light source system in a very good status. And the last but not least is the leveling operation, about how to level the build platform and maintain the parallel status about your printer. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, the first one is about the precautions release module. And this module is gonna give you a very good help about to achieve a very high transparent result about your models. And there will be today we're going to cover about 3 tips about installation during the installation about this precautions release module. The first is very important. Each of them is very important, so please always bear in mind when you try to install them to your printer. The first thing is this is a precautions release module, and the work is actually it's gonna reduce the pilling force during the printing, right? So it's not just bring you a very high transparent 3D printed model, but also reduce the pilling force. That which will mean that you will save lots of support and use those resin to print your model out, right? So it's kind of a very economic way to, yeah, it will also allow you to print very high performance resins. Okay, the first thing about this precautions release module is that when you receive it, the first step is you need to take out the rubber plug, like right here. To take it out, there will be a nest, and there will be a red white rubber, and you have to take it out like this and put this nest back, make it cover. Yeah, this is the first thing, so please always bear in mind about this. The second one is about how to connect the module with printer, right? So we have two. This is a two pipe. This is the air tube, and this is the communication cable with your printer. Oh, that's it. So about our air tube, you can just there will be an air path adapter like this. You can just insert this air tube to the bottom of the adapter with a little bit harder, right? Make sure it's already inserted the bottom, and then you can see it's already been locked tightly. Another one is about communication cable, right? It's also not only communicate the data with precautions release module with your printer, but also power on the modules, right? So the first thing you need to know, when you want to install the module, you should always power off your 3D printer first, right? So yeah, just take the cap, and you should know there'll be a red direction if you want to install this one, right? To just insert the red direction and lock it tight, and that will be the operation, how to operation on your modules. And the other side is quite same with your 3D printer, so I will not show you anymore. So yeah, that's it. That's how to install your module. And second thing is about your HD resin tank, right? Last time we already showed you how to clean the resin tank, not use the air gun and not spray the alcohol directly to the bottom of the layer, right? So actually, about this resin tank, there will be double layers, right? 2 layers. In the inside of the resin tank, you can just clean it with alcohol, and the bottom there will be lots of holes, right? This will it will allow the air to with the pulsing force to let the air go inside about the between the 2 layers. It will much reduce the peeling force during the printing. So there will be a lot of holes. So please do not use the air gun, compressed air to clean it, or spray the water or alcohol to the bottom of the surface. So yeah, this is the HD resin tank. And if you are not constantly use to printing, you can just there will be a black plastic cover that you can to put it on your resin tank, so you can protect the resin in the tank, right? Avoid the direct sunlight and reduce the humidity within the tank. Okay, this is the second. So okay, the third one about this printer is that this is the B2D resin tank. Let's put aside. And the third one is when you want to install your pulsing release module, there will be 2 black tape. You need to tear it off, right here. There will be an 2 air pass right here. Let me show you how to tear it off. It's much easier like this, right? This the first one, and the second one. And there will be a 2 air adapter right here to allow the pulsing release module to transport the air into your HD resin tank. So please make sure you tear this 2 black tape off, right? So after you tear it off, you can just install HD resin tank like this. Please make sure there's right direction, right? And press it and lock it tight, and that'll be it. So, and you have to make sure there's no between the resin tank and your 3D printer, there's no gap between them, right? That will be the right method to install your pulsing release module on your printer. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So as for the second thing is about the pulsing release module, or in order to achieve a better result, you need to know about the 4K mode about our printer, right? If you can see in the up right corner, there will be a golden banner for a 4K free trial. So it will allow you to achieve a better result with the 4K mode. And to have this is the default setting about this printer is 1K HD. So if you are upload the 4K mode, you could get a higher resolution, greater precision, and better performance. So if you want to give it a go about how the 4K modes look like and to compatible with HD pulsing release module, you can just hit the try now button like right here, right? So after you are satisfied with the 4K mode, you can ask for our sales manager about how you gonna to upgrade the 4K permanently, right? You can, yeah. Let's get back. So you can see this is a very transparent models to print it out with HD resin tank, right? You can see very little support is by adding to the model, right? So you're gonna reduce much more resin and save a lot of post-processing about human labor, right? So, okay, there will be also about another accessory about the photometer to maintain our light source This is the second tip about our accessory, right? The photometer. That will help you to maintain your 3D printer in a good status in the long term. So it's very easy to operate, and will be look like this, right? Will be in the acrylic plate, and there will be a photometer like this. Let me show you how to install them. And first we need to remove the HD resin tank and use the A2D resin tank. That will originally in your 3D printer, right? This is a high transparent, but with 4 round foot pad on the bottom of the release film. So please remember, do not remove them. Yeah. So then you can just install them on your printer and press a little bit harder to press the resin tank and lock it both hand, right? Okay, and then you can just to find the setting. In the setting menu, there will be the light calibration button will be like this. Press it, and there will be 2 options for you: intensity calibration and uniformity calibration. Intensity calibration, that will to let you calibrate the light intensity, right? And about uniformity calibration, that will even to cause the evenness of the light source. So if you want to get a much more higher precision and a better performance out of your 3D printer, so please consider to constantly to calibrate light source by using this photometer, right? So you can just insert this USB port, USB to the USB port like this. You just insert them. It will be to the right side of the printer, and after that you can just hit the intensity calibration. Let me show you first. Okay, there will be an instruction on the screen. You should before you do the light intensity calibration or the uniformity calibration, you should always know that you should always clean your resin tank, empty your resin tank, and clean your build platform first. And by doing so, you can use 2 way. I already showed you last live stream. That's the course, right? So you can use the paper cord like this. Is the square paper cord, and to make all the resin, right? To concentrate on the center of the resin tank, and make sure the residue will be sink to the bottom. Or you can filter the resin, right? But after you do this, you have to make sure there's no resin remaining on your resin tank, right? Empty your resin tank first. Okay, then clean your build platform. And constantly you can use this residue remover to clean the debris in your resin tank. Okay, this is a 2 way to maintain your good states about your resin tank. Okay, so if you empty your optical path and resin tank is also cleaned and there's no matter and installed in place, then you can just hit next button to connect the photometer in the printer to the USB port. Hit next button. Actually, there will be in the heating star, there will be a spot to show you in the center of the resin tank. It will be like this. You can now see with your your own eyes, so you can use the acrylic plates like this to show you the light path, right? You can see the clearly. Okay, you can come. So right now you can put your photometer in the light in the center of the light spot, and the light intensity calibration, you can hit the start button right here. And by hitting the start button, please do not move anymore, and it will do the calibration automatically for you. And during the operation, please do not see directly the UV support with your bare eyes. Please wear a sunglass or something to protect your eyes. You can see there will be a progress right here, and 33%, and there will be showing you how quickly or how long you're gonna take to finish the operation. Yeah, usually about the light intensity calibration, it should be take around 2 or 3 minutes, right? Actually, under 5 minutes. That'll be it. So when you finish the calibration about the light intensity, so after we finish the light intensity calibration, there will be a very, very fine spot. Okay, you have to move the photometer in another spot. There will be 2 spots, right? Okay, after varying a second spot, there will be you can remove it back to the original spot. To the third, another one. Okay, calibration done. You already finished the light intensity calibration. So as for the uniformity calibration, is quite same with the intensity, but it's gonna take you "45 spots, right? You have to remove to calibration each spot one by one manually, right? So, but it actually is quite easy. You just move the photometer to align the photometer with each spot like this. The first one, the second one, you just put it on the right spot. Then it will automatically calibrate the light intensity for you. After that, it will, but after you finish the 45 spots, it's also gonna have 2 more steps. It's gonna enter the light intensity calibration, and also it's gonna rechecking 5 spots for you to make sure all the operation has already been finished. Okay, right now I will not cover the 45, right? So just let you know about how to operation it right. So I would just quit the manual, quit the testing. Yeah, that's pretty much about the light intensity calibration. So about the third part about today's object is showing you how to level your build platform, right? So you can find your platform calibration in your setting menus, right? You can find the button is right here. And there will be a test button right here. And if you want to make sure your parallel status about your build platform with your resin tank by just hitting the test. Because I already to set the leveling status abnormal, so it will just show you how to do this, right? So the first one is going to remind you how you have to install your build platform first to lock it tight, right? To make sure the handle about is already been locked. The second one is you have to lock your resin tank. Please make sure there's no gap between your resin tank and your printer. So actually you have to empty your resin tank and clean your build platform. Okay, if you are already cleaned them, you can just hit the button and hit the start. And then the build platform will automatically to move, and you don't have to do anything, right? There will be a force sensor in the left upper left corner, right? You can see, check in real time. If you want to leveling your build platform, then you can use the Allen key that in our printer's package. It will be an L shape like this, and then we just wait the results about the leveling test. Because I already know I'm already messed up with the leveling status, so we're gonna recalibrate it back to our normal status. And the build platform will go down with a 3-speed step with a high speed to yeah, this is the leveling of normal, right? Because I already know because I'm messed it up. Right now we do the calibrate, and the build platform will moving a little bit up about 20 seconds. This method will allow us to, by using, there's an animation showing on the screen. You can use this Allen key to, L-shaped Allen key to re-leveling, to adjust the highlights, the screw. Totally, there will be the A screw on the top, 4 screw on the top, and 2 on the right, 2 on the left, and 2 on right, right? So there will be total 8 screws. They should always know which mean top screw and the side screw, right? So if you know about this, then you can just hit the start button. There will be notes on screen. Please strictly follow this instruction, or leveling the calibration may fail. You got it. So there will be precise words to let you to calibrate your build platform, right? A side screw, right? Right side and the left side. The counterclockwise, losing them for half rotation, right? It will just you can just losing them by like this. When you done this, you can just hit the continue button. The top screw, you should always know side screw or top screw, right? Right here, to show you. And losing them 1 rotation. Okay, continue. Then side screw, losing them for 1 rotation. Yeah, okay, continue. Then the top screws completely tighten, right? Okay, tighten. All the 4 top screws. Okay, that's it. Confirm. And right now the platform is moving, right? It's gonna take about 180 seconds. Okay, there's first step is top screws right here. Right here you can see the lower right corner, and it give you a precise instruction about losing according to the indicated direction and rotation, right? You can see you can rotate counterclockwise 90 degree and right, 90 degree. Okay, continue, and then you can to adjust the side screw until its value reach the target value, right? This is the target value is 2.77 to 2.97. Right now, the value is 5.9, right? So we can adjust the number by. You can visually see the numbers decreasing by tightening the screws, right? Or you can check it by yourself. If you you can counterclockwise or clockwise to tighten the screw or lose the screw. Right now, tightening the screw will be reduce the number like this. You can just see. Yeah, okay, 2.8. Continue. And top screw, complete tighten the top screw. Yeah, already tighten, firm, confirm. You're gonna verify. So top screw, complete tighten all the top screw right now. Okay. Yes, continue. And complete tighten all the side screws. Yeah. Confirm again. It's verifying again. So the build platform will rise and do the leveling test one more time. So as for the build platform moving, the speed is gonna divide into three speed, right? The high speed, the middle speed, and the slow one to try to protect your glass.什么？不是补一条吧？补一条加到中间就行了。Okay, then we are finishing the light calibration. It's very easy and visually instruction on your screen, right? You can just follow the instruction on the screen. But the very important one is you have to know the top screw and the side screw, right? Which is which. Okay, that's it. That's about the leveling operation. So that's pretty much about today's work, and we covered about the power release module and how to maintain our light source the optical system in a very good status by using the photometer, and how to level our build platform with our resin tank, right? So leveling the function. So, okay, please consider to subscribe our channel and give it a like, ring the bell. And if you want to have much more information about the product or have a good questions, please leave a message in the comment section, right? So I'll see you in the next time. Bye-bye.